Hey everybody, welcome back. Just a few words about bug protein because this is a big thing. Klaus Schwab, a lot of people, Bill Gates, they want to push the idea of eating insects. They want us eating bugs en masse. They want insect protein in our foods, and it's been quietly creeping in and people haven't been noticing it. So this is really just like me being a consumer advocate, if you will, and trying to reach out to people and warn you to read your labels and to be very careful. And if you see anything on the label that you don't know what it is, look it up. You're probably carrying a phone with you everywhere you go anyways. Look it up real quick and make sure you know what it is. Now, Acheta, for example, Acheta, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, is like a technical term for crickets. So if you see Acheta protein on something that you're eating, something that you're buying, it's actually ground crickets. They'll use like the technical names or scientific names of various insects to disguise it on the labels so that you don't realize it. You'll read it and you just glance over it and don't realize what it means, and you're eating insects. And a lot of companies have been investing in this. Tyson is very heavily invested in insect protein. McCormick is very heavily invested. Archer Daniels, Midland in Chicago, they have manufacturing plants in Illinois, is tied in with, Innovo Feed, which is a French company. You can't trust these people. They're going to do it. They are doing it. They want you eating bugs, and it really isn't necessarily safe. There's a lot of microscopic parasites that are unhealthy for human consumption. There's chitin, Chitin. Chitin, it's a technical name for a polymer that's in insects that's part of their endoskeleton, which is toxic, that is ground up with this because they have no way to separate them. Nobody's going to sit there and peel endoskeletons off of crickets and other insects. That's not going to happen. It's just going to get ground in with it. It's been linked to autoimmune disorders and to cancer. This is already going into animal feeds. They've been putting this in animal feed, and if the animal's eating it, you're eating it. If you're buying from industrial farms, beef, cattle are not supposed to be sitting there eating ground crickets. They're supposed to be eating grass. It's bad enough they eat corn, and if they're eating it, you're eating it. If you eat a cow that its entire life has been eating ground corn, which is unhealthy for the animal, then you are eating corn protein as well. If they're eating insects, you're eating the insects. And if they're unhealthy, you're unhealthy if you eat an unhealthy animal. It's scary. And there's a lot of push in the media trying to encourage people. I know who Robert Downey Jr. is on board, Nicole Kidman's on board. I believe Robert Downey Jr. was on Colbert show trying to promote eating insects. And it's like, why are you trying to convince us so hard, as if these people actually eat like this? So please do read the labels. There's a good chance it's been snuck into a lot of foods anyways. Again, if you don't know what something is, just look on your phone and verify, okay, what is this exactly? Because you could be eating something that you do not want to or should not be eating. Really be careful, because there's major players out there, like I said, Klaus Schwab, Bill Gates, pushing for this, and they have enough money and power and resources to get us over, to force us into a situation where we're eating it and we don't even know it, and eventually get used to it, and there could be a lot of health problems associated with it. Just like with corn syrup, there's a lot of health problems associated with corn syrup. It's in everything. It's in everything, and people don't even think about it anymore because they're so used to it now. Anyways, if you have anything to add to that, please put it in the comment section down below. Please do give the video a thumbs up if you got something out of it. I hope you did. Share it if you can. Probably the only way it'll get seen on ScrewTube. Subscribe if you're new. Check out some of our other content. And if that's it, then what more can I say but stay tuned, folks, because there is more to come.